TFNN. Headline News Update.
TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. 3 hours left to go in the trading week. Let's take a look at these markets. It's a relatively mixed day in both directions. You've got the S&P currently -2, trading 2672. Dow Jones positive by 12 points, trading 24,331. And the NASDAQ currently positive by 7 points, trading at 7126. That gold contract up $5, trading at 1322.90. And the dollar index up 70 ticks, trading at 91,435. Let's jump over to that Nadex platform and check in on some of the futures markets. Start things off with the NASDAQ 100. So early this morning, things were looking much rosier. You had Amazon earnings last night beating up dramatically. Microsoft, Intel across the board. This morning, NASDAQ 100 trading at 67.70. We proceed to trade from those 2 hours down to 66.37, almost 135 NASDAQ 100 points, representing 2%. From there, we're bouncing around a bit, slightly higher, 66.68 in the NASDAQ 100. S&P 500, a little bit different action. We were up there at highs this morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, we'll call it. Trade lower, and from there we've bounced quite a bit, retracing about those 12 to 15 S&P points, currently trading 26.72. Dow 30 approaching the highs we made near the market open this morning, currently trading 24,290 in the Dow, looking at that June futures contract. Crude oil bouncing around to the positive side as well. Crude currently trading above $68, $68.22. And gold, after bouncing this morning, holding steady. Gold trading 91. And in the world of Bitcoin, let's get that chart over, 92.79 as we look to the end of the trading week for Bitcoin. So in terms of that NASDAQ 100, Amazon, the culprit in the early trading, as they set an all-time high as Wall Street gushes over everything they basically put out last night after the bell. They're going to raise the prices on Amazon Prime, and as far as their hard numbers that they came in with, the big number of the beat was this number. The earnings per share, 327 versus 126. They beat on revenue as well, and Amazon Web Services beating there as well. And to jump over to Amazon, see how they're trading today. Pulling back, though, most of the day, and that's where you see that NASDAQ 100 pullback as well. Pretty remarkable in the span of everything going on that they have pulled back so dramatically, still well above, up $67 for the day, but almost $80 off the high that they had this morning at 9 a.m. Stay tuned. Steve Rhodes coming up right now. Of course, Dave White at 2 o'clock, Tom O'Brien at 3 o'clock. Have a great afternoon, everybody.